Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm gonna be reviewing the EveryDollar budgeting app. So once you go to EveryDollar and create your account, you'll be redirected to this dashboard right here where you can manage your monthly budget. Before we create a budget, let's see here the menu items from the main menu on the left. Here you have your budget. You have paycheck planning, so you can plan for your paycheck. However, this is a premium feature, as you can see from the green star right here. You can learn to budget, where you have some tutorials, some video tutorials, and some how-tos about how to use the app and how to personalize your budget. Here you have your goals, you have your roadmap and insights, and all of these three are for the premium plans. Here you can start here with Ramsey Pros and the group coaching if you want, which will open in your link. Now let's go ahead and start the budgeting for the month. Let's create the April budget, and here you can add your paychecks, so your income. Let's say I have a paycheck of $100 and another paycheck of $50, so I have a total of $150. I can add other income sources. Let's say I'm having a drop shipping business, so from drop shipping I had, for example, $200. Okay, so I have $350 in total. Now this is the giving, so the spent. Okay, I can give to church, I can give to charity, I can add to my givings here, which things that I give for charity. Now my savings, I can have an emergency fund. I can add a car saving fund. For example, let's say I'm saving to buy a car. Okay, and let's add $20 in here, $40 in here. Now, as you can see here, I didn't add anything here. So if I click on this blue $20, let's say I have spent, or I have had this $20 added to my emergency fund. So available in it are $20 right now. And let's go ahead to the housing or the expenses categories: housing, transportation, the food, personal clothing, lifestyle, and so on. Let's say I've spent $100 on groceries. So now here, as you can see, the groceries are for $100. Now let's close this and let's go to summary. And here I have a summary. So the savings are $60. For the food, it's $100. For the income, it's $350. Now the spent and the remaining right here. So for food, $100 and stuff like that. So in my opinion, it's pretty basic. It doesn't have any over-the-top features. However, if you just want a free, easy-to-use, basic budget planner where you can add your income and expenses, and it'll calculate how much is left and your spending categories, EveryDollar is a great option to consider.